everybody, this is Moses from Zaatar Gardens, and this is episode 92 of Gardening Without Edits. I'm going to show you something rather quick. I have a lot of things to do. Spring's coming early right now where I am, Central California, Zone 9B. Let me flip the camera around. I did a post on Instagram and YouTube, on my community page on YouTube, where I said that you should plant flowers or plants that produce flowers in the winter. So you could feed beneficials, birds and etc. also during the winter, and also you're going to be the only one on your street, or if there's other gardeners or other knowingly gardeners that plant for successive blooming throughout the year, you're going to be one of the only ones on your street with color. Everybody else is just going to be like that, just soil. Well, they probably have the cheap wood chips from Home Depot or Lowe's, but they won't have beautiful soil, maybe. I'm just saying, just the stereotypical American yard, instead of having nice, beautiful soil. But you'll have that. So you're gonna feed your beneficials, you're gonna have color, and you're gonna be much happier. It's a really gloomy time of year is winter, especially where, other places other than where I am at. There's a lot of places that are snowing, but if there's certain houseplants that provide flowers during the winter, when they're gonna have less sunlight during the day and they still produce flowers, I'd purchase those. But take a look at this. This is my son planted this long ago on Mother's Day when he was like 2 or 3 years old. He planted this one, still alive, still healthy. Cleaning up my tree collards, and I decided to look at this jolly green. Look how big this is. I'm doing a side note here now. Look at the base. You know what I mean? God. That's just one of the tree collards I have. These are from Project Tree Collard, by the way. So, anyways, very quick. Decided to film that. Happy gardening, everybody.